is an avocado. What fruit is it? Raspberry. These are raspberries. What fruit is it? Grapes. These are grapes. What fruit is it? Apple. This is an apple. What fruit is it? Apricot. These are apricots. What fruit is it? Pear. These are pears. What fruit is it? Tomato. These are tomatoes. What fruit is it? Lemon. This is a lemon. What fruit is it? Cherry. This is a cherry. What fruit is it? Watermelon. This is watermelon. Hi my little friends. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe the Binky Toons for more videos like this. And don't forget to press the bell icon. See you soon.